Hello guys, so we are going to be talking about how to use workflow actions on iContact. That's, for instance, creating a contact using your workflow directly on iContact. Now, to get started, you need to log into your GHL Plugins account, switch to the tab Workflow Apps. While in there, you can search for iContact. When you get it, the first step is to install the app. How do you install it? You click on, it's going to open a new tab that will redirect you to your GHL agency. So you have to link in your agency by selecting the agency. If you're not logged in already, it's going to ask you to log in. Then you can proceed with the linking. When you're done, you click on the proceed button and it's going to install the app automatically and close this tab. So you'll be redirected here. Now, in order to proceed, you need to access this particular app or the other apps via the custom menu link that you've added to your account. So for those who are installing this for their first time, I'll show you how to do it. So you just need to grab the custom menu link. This is a one-time action. You don't need to do this for each and every app. You just need to do this once for every app. It works. So you copy the custom menu link, you switch to your GHL, you go to agency. Under your agency, you go to settings, custom menu link, create new. You select an icon of preference, you put in the name of your custom menu link you want to create, then you paste in the link you copied earlier from GHL plugin. You set up the preferences from here, and when you're done, you save. Your custom menu link has been created. So you switch on to an account that you want to use the actions inside and make sure that this account has been linked already to the custom menu link that you just added, just so when you switch to the account you can switch up to the custom menu link too. So you click on the custom menu link. My custom menu link is called my apps. So for all apps that I install, I can come directly to this custom menu link and check them out. You can see available apps I have installed but not connected yet, these ones. Then we have the connected apps. I can start using them already. So how do we proceed from here? You go to available apps and you're going to search for the app you want to work with. So our app is iContact. In my case, I'm not going to see iContact here because I've connected already. So I'm going to check under the connected. Now, basically, when you check under app available, you see this, you click on, you're going to see this same pop-up form. So you're going to fill in this form with each and every variable, the API, app ID, the API username, the API password, the account ID, and the client folder ID. How do you get this information? It's simple. You connect to your dashboard, the iContact dashboard. In here, you click on your profile drop down. You go to settings and billing. Okay. Now in here, you go to iContact integrations and you can create one. So this is the app ID. I can copy the app ID and paste it here. So that's the app ID. Go back. You have the user email, which is this. You have the password, which is this. After the password, you need the account ID. So the account ID is down here. You copy that, and the client folder ID. So it's pretty much straightforward. You can get this easily. Now, when all of this is done, you can save by submitting. So when you submit that, everything is cool and your app has been connected successfully. Now, if you want to access the various actions for this service, you just need to go to any workflow in this same sub account and you can use the action as every other action on your GHL. So here I'm going to search for iContact, search for icon. Oh yeah, so we have the iContact service. These are the basic actions that we can carry out on iContact. So you have the delete contact, update contact, and create contact. Those are the basic services, actions that we can have from workflow. So you can use workflows to update contacts on iContact. You can use workflows to create contacts on iContact and delete contacts on iContact, which is very easy. Okay, so the setup and the installation are done, and now you're good to go with using these actions. So if you have any issue or you encounter any difficulty during this process, please let us know and we'll be happy to hop up with you and try to fix things out. So thank you for watching and talk to you soon.